So guys, first method, open any browser. So type HP, go to www.hp.com. This is officially website. Then click to support and then software and driver. And click to printer, and guys enter model number. So guys, type HP DeskJet 27700, sorry. Okay, all in one this. This is your printer. Choose your operating system. This is might be only support all the operating system. Okay. Easy start printer. This is software to install, and this is the internet. Require internet connections. We have to basic driver and offline. Okay, offline news only. Just click to, if you, this is also firmware there. Okay, click to download. Now this is ready to downloading. Then after downloaded, click to the setup. Now this is extracting data. Then yes, continue. Yes, this is software better features. Then guys, if you know about your printer IP, so click to search by IP. Otherwise you don't know, click to continue, and then wired and USB. Wires mean printer connect to wire your with your switch and routers. So select this. If you connect to USB like that, this is your laptop desktop and this is printer by printer USB cable, and when you connect it, automatically detect and next to install. After installations, restart your printer and desktop laptop also. Thank you.